Electric Control Panel Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global diabetic foot ulcer treatment market size will be $5,324.5 million in 2024. It will expand at a CAGR of 6.5% from 2024 to 2031. North America diabetic foot ulcer treatment market size of $2,129.80 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 4.7% from 2024 to 2031. Europe diabetic foot ulcer treatment market size of $1,597.35 million. Asia Pacific diabetic foot ulcer treatment market size of $1,224.64 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 8.5% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America diabetic foot ulcer treatment market size of $266.23 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 5.9% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa diabetic foot ulcer treatment market size of $106.49 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 6.2% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.